This video will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called MovieSearchTool. The developers of MovieSearchTool.com website claim that by installing this extension, you'll be able to search for movies in a much better and professional way. Some people who prefer to watch movies online might think that this is some handy service. However, the developers of MovieSearchTool don't mention that it works as a browser hijacker. When you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by searchly.com, or they may be sometimes delivered by some other search engine like Yahoo, Bing, or something else. No matter what search engine is used in this case, it's not Google, because MovieSearchTool works with other search providers, and very often this is done in contradiction to the user's preferences. So if you are not happy with all such changes in the way your browser operates, I recommend you to remove MovieSearchTool as soon as possible. So go to the menu of your browser. MovieSearchTool works through a special extension installed into Google Chrome. In the menu, click on More Tools and click on Extensions. Now, if you find some suspicious extensions here, remove them. Also, consider checking your available applications. It could be that your Mac is infected by some adware that could cause such pop-ups in your screen. So if you see the adware, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend the automatic investigation of your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. For Mac, you may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Initially, the application is in the trial mode, but it has some free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Once the scanning is completed, you will see the detailed report that will tell you the exact number of threads and even their location. So you may click on antivirus, click on review results, and this will show you its exact threads that were found during the scanning and their location. For instance, we have these DMG fake Adobe Flash Player installers. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the location of all these threads in Finder. So when you find them in Finder, you may right-click on them and move them to the trash, or you may consider the automatic removal with Combo Cleaner Premium version.